After 60, your legs weaken first. Eat these 3 foods to strengthen them. If you are over 60 and you notice your legs feel heavy, you are not alone. Maybe you struggle to get out of a deep chair. Perhaps you feel a bit unsteady when you walk down the stairs. You might even look in the mirror and notice your thighs look thinner. Many people tell you this is just a normal part of aging, but I am here to tell you that is not the whole truth. This is not just a sign of the years passing by. There is a very specific biological process happening inside your leg muscles. If you have noticed leg weakness after 60, your body is sending you a signal. Your legs are often the very first part of your body to lose strength. This muscle loss in legs is a condition that science now understands deeply. The good news is that this process can be slowed or even reversed. You can stay strong after 60 with the right plan. Today, I will share the 3 specific foods that help aging leg muscles stay powerful. These foods target the root cause of why your legs weaken first. Your leg muscles are the largest muscles in your entire body. Muscles like your quadriceps and calves are very busy and active because they are so large. They often lose mass faster than other groups. This is why leg muscle weakness is such a common complaint after age 60. Imagine your leg muscles are like a busy factory. When you were younger, the factory worked perfectly. Delivery trucks would bring in protein, and the workers would build muscle immediately. But after 60, the factory starts ignoring those delivery trucks. This is what we call anabolic resistance in plain language. The protein arrives at the factory, but the doors are locked. The muscle repair after 60 becomes much harder because the factory is quiet. Your body needs a much louder signal to open those doors. There is a special trigger inside your cells that tells muscles to rebuild. Scientists at the NIH found that this trigger becomes less sensitive as we age. If the trigger is not pulled, your body cannot use the protein you eat. And this leads to sarcopenia, which is just a formal name for muscle loss. There is also a second problem called the calcium leak. Think of these as tiny electrical sparks inside your muscle fibers. In aging muscles, these sparks start going haywire and leaking out. This makes the muscle lose its ability to contract with power. You might be eating well and trying to stay active, but these leaky sparks make your legs feel weak anyway. It is frustrating to feel like your effort is not working, but I want you to know this is not your fault. The solution is not just about eating more food. It is about eating the right foods to fix the factory doors. We need to target the 3 biological pathways that cause leg weakness. This is what I call the tri-food framework for healthy aging. 3 specific food categories work together to rebuild your leg strength. These are fatty fish, dairy products, and leafy green vegetables. Most people eat these occasionally, but they do not use them as a system. When you combine them, they attack leg muscle weakness from every angle. This framework provides the specific nutrients needed to fix the leaky sparks. It also provides the loud signal required to unlock the factory doors. Most natural ways to fight leg weakness only look at one piece of the puzzle. This system covers everything you need to stay independent. Stay with me for a few minutes. The way these 3 foods work together is very specific. Most doctors have never explained the calcium leak to you before, but understanding these foods that strengthen legs will change how you feel. Food 3: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Think about the last time you walked up a flight of stairs. Did you have to use the railing to pull yourself up? This often happens because the explosive fibers in your legs are thinning. Fatty fish is one of the best muscle-building foods over 60 to fix this. Fatty fish like salmon provides a critical nutrient called vitamin D. Your body produces less vitamin D from the sun as you age. Without it, those leaky sparks we talked about earlier get much worse. Vitamin D helps your muscle fibers keep their electrical energy inside. Salmon is also a great source of omega-3 for seniors. These healthy fats reduce inflammation that blocks your muscle repair. A study from Harvard Health notes that omega-3s can make muscles more responsive. This helps overcome the locked door problem in your muscle factory. You only need a 3.5-ounce serving of wild salmon to see benefits. This is about the size of the palm of your hand. Try to eat this at least twice a week. It is best to eat fish after you have been active. Preparing fish does not have to be a big chore. You can buy canned sardines or salmon for a quick lunch. Simply flake the fish over a piece of whole grain toast or bake a piece of salmon with a little lemon and pepper. Fatty fish for muscle loss is a powerful tool in your kitchen. It stabilizes the calcium signaling in muscles so they can contract properly. But here is the thing about our next food. While fish helps the sparks, dairy provides the loudest signal to build. Food 2. Dairy, Greek yogurt, milk, cheese. Do you ever find it hard to stand up after sitting for a long time? This is a classic sign of leg weakness after 60. Your leg muscles need a specific amino acid called leucine to start rebuilding. Dairy is the king of dairy protein for seniors because it is packed with leucine. Remember our factory analogy where the workers were ignoring the trucks. Leucine is the worker who has the key to the factory door. In seniors, your body needs a very high dose of leucine to open that door. Dairy protein provides this better than almost any other source. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt contains about 24 grams of protein. More importantly, it provides the leucine needed for mTORC1 activation. This is the scientific name for pulling the rebuild trigger. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that dairy helps seniors retain lean mass. Aim for 1 cup of Greek yogurt or a glass of milk daily. It is very effective when eaten for breakfast to start your day strong. Most people wait until dinner to eat protein, but your legs need it earlier. This helps maintain a senior diet for muscle health that works all day. Preparing this is incredibly simple for any senior. You can mix Greek yogurt with a few berries or a little honey. If you prefer milk, try a small whey protein smoothie in the afternoon. Even a few slices of cheese can provide a helpful leucine boost. Using dairy protein after 60 is like giving your legs a fresh start. It ensures that your protein absorption after 60 is actually working for you. But our final food on the list is the most surprising one. It is the one almost no one connects to legs. Food 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Have you ever had your legs feel suddenly weak or crampy at night? Or maybe your legs just feel tired after only a short walk? This is often not a protein problem, but a magnesium problem. Leafy greens are the best natural leg strength booster because they are rich in magnesium. Magnesium is responsible for over 300 reactions in your body. For your legs, it acts as a reset button for your muscle fibers. It helps your muscles relax after they contract. If you are low on magnesium, your muscles stay stiff and lose their efficiency. Leafy greens and muscle health are also connected through antioxidants. These greens help neutralize the waste products that cause the calcium leak. A report in the Journal of Nutrition found that greens help keep muscle fibers healthy. They protect the delicate structures inside your aging leg muscles. A serving size of 1 cup of cooked spinach or kale is perfect. Try to include this with your largest meal of the day. Magnesium for muscle function is absorbed best when eaten with other healthy fats. This makes your legs feel lighter and more responsive during the day. You do not need complicated recipes to enjoy these greens. You can toss a handful of fresh spinach into a fruit smoothie. You will never even know it is there. Or simply saute some kale with a little olive oil and garlic. Leafy greens provide the micronutrient matrix your legs are craving. They support the energy production that lets you stay active. When you combine these with fish and dairy, you have a complete system. It is the best anti-inflammatory diet for seniors who want to stay strong. Knowing what to eat is the first step, but when you eat matters too. Your body's ability to build muscle is not a constant 24-hour process. It happens in pulses throughout the day. You can start a simple daily strategy tomorrow to maximize your results. Try to eat your fatty fish or dairy within 30 minutes after a walk. This is when your leg muscles are most hungry for repair. Resistance exercise and nutrition together are the most effective way to rebuild. Even a short 10-minute walk can prime your muscles for these nutrients. Eat your leafy greens with your largest meal to help with magnesium absorption. This gives your body the minerals it needs to stay efficient. Finally, consider a small serving of dairy before bed. Dairy contains a slow-digesting protein that repairs your muscles while you sleep. This protein timing for seniors is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent with your body's natural rhythms. Do not worry if you miss a meal or a timing window. Just try to get back on track with your next meal. Following this plan is one of the best natural ways to build leg muscle after 60. It treats your nutrition like a tool for your independence. Your body never completely loses the ability to rebuild. You just have to give it the right materials at the right time. Think about how your life will feel when your legs are supported. Imagine walking down to the mailbox without having to grip the railing. Think about standing up from your favorite chair on the first try. You will feel a sense of confidence that maybe you have not felt in years. Strong legs mean you can keep up with your grandchildren at the park. They mean you can climb the stairs at a friend's house without pausing halfway. Leg strength is the foundation of your freedom to live life on your own terms. It is about staying independent after 60 and beyond. The science we talked about today shows that your body is resilient. Even if you feel weak today, those muscle fibers are waiting for the signal. They are ready to respond to the leucine and the vitamin D. You have the power to fix the leaky sparks and unlock the factory doors. This is a hopeful journey, and you are taking the first step right now. Every healthy meal is a thank you to your body. You deserve to feel stronger after 60. You deserve to move through the world with ease and grace. Your legs may have been the first to weaken, but they can recover. With a tri-food framework, leg weakness reversal is possible. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward. You are doing a wonderful thing for your future self. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show this video to other seniors who might be struggling. We want everyone to know that leg muscle loss is not an unavoidable part of aging. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. We share new science-backed tips every week to help you age well. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these 3 foods is your favorite to eat? Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth as you age. Stay strong, keep your legs moving, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and have a beautiful day.